If you're a marketer and you're working with your company or your corporation on their sustainability journey, at one point or another, you might be thinking about creating a corporate sustainability video. We often see brands communicating their sustainability initiatives through interesting, creative, and captivating videos. I think video is a great and authentic way to capture really complex ideas, but in a visual and entertaining way. So I'm already a personal fan of video. Video, I believe, can be a very powerful medium, but how can we make sure that we are not greenwashing or making invalid or unrealistic green claims within our corporate sustainability videos? So brands might use their CSR videos in a couple different ways. So they might use these type of videos to highlight a specific initiative that is related to their greater sustainability strategies. So for example, maybe they really want to hone in on a specific sustainable initiative project that they've been working on. Or they might want to use a video like this to broadly talk about their sustainable journey and their sustainable strategy and kind of the initiatives and the goals, and talking from a leadership perspective, so a top level perspective on what that journey is going to look like for them and their corporation and building out their sustainable strategy and the type of story that they want to tell along the way. So you can really kind of, in my opinion, go in two different directions. There might be other directions out there, so if you know about them, please leave them in the comments. I would love to know more about them.